Breaking news just coming in. Sidhu has invited Captain Amrinder Singh for the event tomorrow. Sidhu Camp MLA has said that Captain has accepted this particular invite. Sidhu's invite to Captain Amrinder Singh has been signed by 58 MLAs. Questions arising on whether this is truce or time for showdown at the moment. Sidhu's invite to Captain has been signed by 58 MLAs. The invitation has gone out to Captain Amrinder Singh. Sidhu Camp MLA say at the moment that Captain has accepted this particular invite. This is amidst the acrimony that we're seeing between Captain Amrinder Singh and Navjot Singh Sidhu. There were several questions arising on whether there will be a showdown tomorrow, whether Captain Amrinder Singh will show up for the event at 11 a.m. tomorrow or not. But news just trickling in at the moment, and this is being claimed by the Sidhu Camp MLAs for now. No official word coming in from Captain Amrinder Singh whether he's accepted this particular invite, but Sidhu Camp MLA is going on to say that Captain Amrinder Singh has accepted this invite.
ਜਿਹੜਾ ਇੱਕ ਇਨਵੀਟੇਸ਼ਨ ਪ੍ਰਧਾਨ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਔਰ ਸਮੂਹ ਮੰਤਰੀ ਸਾਹਿਬਾਨ ਔਰ ਐਮਐਲਏ ਸਾਹਿਬਾਨ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਦੇ ਕੇ ਆਏ ਆ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਉਸ ਇਨਵੀਟੇਸ਼ਨ ਨੂੰ ਐਕਸੈਪਟ ਕੀਤਾ ਆ ਔਰ ਕੱਲ ਨੂੰ ਆਸ਼ੀਰਵਾਦ ਦੇਣ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਉੱਥੇ ਪਹੁੰਚਣ.
That's the big breaking story we're playing out at this point of time. Information is trickling in at this moment as to how Captain Amrinder Singh has accepted the invitation. This is the invitation for the induction ceremony of Navjot Singh Sidhu as the PCC in Punjab tomorrow. There were speculations rife on whether he will attend this given the kind of acrimony that we're seeing between Navjot Singh Sidhu and Captain Amrinder Singh. This is not an official confirmation come from the Captain Amrinder Singh camp, but the confirmation we're getting it is from the Sidhu Camp MLA saying that Captain Amrinder Singh has accepted this invite.
कैप्टन साहब भी होंगे कैप्टन साहब आ रहे हैं
ਸਵੇਰ ਦੀ ਚਾਹ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਵਜੋਤ ਸਿੰਘ ਸਿੱਧੂ ਕੈਪਟਨ ਅਮਰਿੰਦਰ ਸਿੰਘ ਦੋਨੋਂ ਆਣਗੇ ਜੀ.
Questions now arising on whether this is an indication of truce between Captain Amrinder Singh and Navjot Singh Sidhu, or will the showdown continue? The jury is out on that one. We'll have to wait and watch until 11 a.m. tomorrow when the ceremony takes place and actually see Captain Amrinder Singh at that particular event. For now, the Sidhu Camp MLAs are claiming that Captain Amrinder Singh has accepted this invite. So for the viewers who have just tuned in, Sidhu has invited Captain Amrinder Singh for the event tomorrow, and the Sidhu Camp MLAs have said Captain has accepted the invite. Sidhu's invitation to Captain has been signed by 58 MLAs, and questions arising on whether there will be a truce between the two leaders or will the acrimony continue. Will there be a showdown tomorrow morning? There's more breaking news coming in. Captain Amrinder Singh's media advisor has tweeted, Captain has invited all Punjab MLAs at 10 a.m. for tea. Captain to go to Congress Bhavan for the installation of the new team. That's the latest coming in. There is a tweet coming out from the media advisor of Captain Amrinder Singh, which is on your screens right now. Let's show our viewers that exact tweet too. Raveen Thukral has put out this tweet going on to say that Captain Amrinder Singh has invited all the Punjab MLAs at 10 a.m. for tea. Captain will be going to Congress Bhavan for the installation of the new team, and the PCC chief induction is going to take place at 11 a.m. tomorrow. That's just for your reference that the induction ceremony is at 11 a.m. tomorrow, and we just broke the story as to how Captain has accepted the invite of Navjot Singh Sidhu, which is being claimed by the Sidhu camp for the moment, and not an official word coming in from Captain Amrinder Singh on that. That's the latest coming in as far as the Punjab politicking is concerned. Captain Amrinder Singh has invited the Punjab MLAs for tea tomorrow morning. He will be going to the Congress Bhavan for the installation of new team. We're getting you some political reactions on this, and our reporter is about to join us for the latest developments that are coming in. Two significant developments that we've reported right now is one about how Captain Amrinder Singh has accepted the invite for tomorrow morning 11 a.m. as claimed by the Sidhu camp. This is the invitation for the induction of Navjot Singh Sidhu as the PCC in Punjab, that is Punjab Congress chief, and Sidhu's invite to captain has been signed off by 58 MLAs is what we are picking up. And the other breaking news that we are getting in is of Navjot Singh Sidhu's media advisors on speaking about how